How to use protectors in Last War. So the protectors in this game are going to be the defensive heroes used to protect your base. We don't have much, but this is just a duplicate account, but we can still explain to you how they work and how to use them. So basically the frontline troops during battles. They are designed to absorb the damage, shield allies, and help your army survive longer during your fights or against zombies or even other players. Protectors usually have higher defense and health stats, so pretty much depends on you and what kind of characters you have with these kind of stats, and it depends on you how you will set them up. So to use the protectors effectively, you can assign them to the front line slots in your battle formation. Maybe if you have a squad set up, you can optimize it to put it in front of your squad. But other than that, make sure you pair them with the damage focus heroes behind them so your attackers can deal damage. If you only have protectors, then of course it won't really get that far, since it's just prolonging the defeat. But you can also upgrade your protectors by leveling them up by using the XP items. You could improve their skills and equip better gear to increase their defenses and survivability. So using a protector is especially helpful in the higher level battles, base defense, PvP fights. So basically the events where survivability on a specific hero is important. But that is the general idea on how to use protectors in your game. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.